Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to use a windscreen wiper arm remover, courtesy of this Vauxhall Corsa D. That rear wiper arm is stuck solid. Superman couldn't remove it, nor could Iron Man or that big green monster that's always angry, so I'm glad we've got this. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay, before using the tool, we're going to do some preparation to give it the best chance of working. Specifically, we need to remove the nut, which I've already loosened, and the washer behind, just like that. And now grab a brush and clean the spindle to remove any dirt or corrosion that would otherwise impede us. We now need to spray the area with penetrating fluid. There we go. And now we'll wait a few minutes to give the fluid a chance to work. Let's in the meantime have a look at the tool itself, which at the bottom here has two jaws. There's one and there's the other. These jaws clamp onto the back of the wiper arm, and notice that there's a gap between them, which is currently about the width of my finger. That gap has to be adjusted to fit the wiper arm. To make it wider, grab this silver knob and turn it anti-clockwise, like so, and we can see the gap getting wider and wider and wider, much wider than my finger now. And of course, to make the gap smaller, simply turn the knob clockwise. So let's position the tool. So we position the jaws of the tool all the way down there behind the wiper arm, something like that. But as we can see, the gap between the jaws is too wide for it to clamp on properly. So, as mentioned, we'll turn this silver knob clockwise to close the distance between those two jaws, and then the tool can clamp on properly. We now turn our attention to this handle at the end of the tool, and turning that clockwise, like so, moves this shaft down until it presses against the wiper arm spindle, which is just down there. So we keep turning the handle clockwise until either the wiper arm pops off or the glass breaks. There we go, one wiper arm successfully removed. Bear in mind though that on this occasion anyway, the tool has caused a little bit of damage. Specifically, if we look at the back of the wiper arm, we can see the jaws crushed it in two places, there and there. But for this example, it was either that or don't remove it. I wouldn't worry too much though. Your wiper arm may come off without any damage, and even if it doesn't, for most cars, replacements are available for a modest price. For example, for this Vauxhall Corsa, an entire new rear arm only costs £7.68, and that includes delivery. I've lost the tool. It was right here in my hand, and now it's gone. So, while I look for it, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour? And click like on this video. And I'll see you next time. Found it!